Hi guys, welcome back for another episode here at Tom and Har Presents. We've done a few things to the entertainment area and a few more upgrades or repairs, I would say, to the swimming pool. We found out we had a leak in the skimmer line, so the crew had to come out, search that down, and do the repairs to that, but it's all done now. So let's go see what today's adventure looks like. Thank you guys for joining us, and we hope everything has been going well with you and yours. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying our videos and our adventures. Let's go see. You can see I did a little bit of editing to our intro. And we have a new subdivision name. A meeting of the minds. We got a leak somewhere on the skimmer line, and they're thinking that it may be the second drain in the skimmer itself that has a plug. So they're working on that right now. Worst case scenario, if it's the line and something's wrong with it, then they'll have to run a new line. But that won't be too much of a problem. We'll just go outside the fence line and then down that line and back into the pump. So we won't have to tear up any of this tile work that they've already done. So we'll see how this turns out, guys. The guys from Tropical Pools down in Dumaguete have showed up, and they are installing the chlorinator in line for the saltwater system. This is going to be a big upgrade so we can add salt, and this pool should be completely done at that point. And here's the finished work product. They added this line here, and let's see if I can get over here. This is the chlorinator. And it's all wired in, so once we get the salt in line, we've got a little bit too much chlorine in the pool right now from my shock to be able to add that, but once that gets in place, this pool will be done, guys. Good job. This is later in the day, and AG and I decided to hang the big 65-inch screen TV in the entertainment area and then onto the dartboard. Sorry we didn't film any of this, but we didn't have enough hands. Project that Har's brother-in-law helped me with today. We put up the big TV out here in the entertainment area, and it's updating right now, and we'll see how that's going to work with the sound system and karaoke. Dartboard will be next, and it's going on this wall right here. A couple of tries, but we finally got the dartboard in good shape, and it's ready to go. Looks good out here.
Ano na siya, walay gingon nga paligi ba sa mga karagulang sa una.
Good morning, everyone. Well, it's not even 5 o'clock in the morning yet, and we're up decorating our first Christmas tree at the house because it's a burr month. It's only September, but it's still a burr month, so it's Christmas time. So we're gonna put our first Christmas tree up in the house. I know most of y'all are gonna think we're crazier than crazy, but we're having fun. We're having fun with it. So we'll see how she comes out in the end. You having fun?
Yes. Because this is different from our Christmas tree before. Our Christmas tree is just like from a real tree. From a real tree, we decorate it with cotton or papers. We design it with like balls, stars.
So all homemade, no
Yes.
store-bought.
This is different.
And what was your presents under the tree?
Fake presents.
Fake presents?
Just box.
Just box?
Yeah,
Nothing in it?
That's what we did before.
Yeah.
Fake. We put names, but it's fake.
But you still had Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Alright, it's coming out fine. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Okay. It's looking a little better. Almost. Okay, the tree's almost done. She's gonna put the top star on it. Little crooked.
Perfect.
It's a little crooked. It's leaning towards you. Perfect. Yeah. All right. Our first Christmas tree. We haven't put the lights on it yet, but we have decorated it. We haven't put the bottom piece on yet. What you guys think? Okay, guys. That's its finished location. We still have not put any lights around it on it yet. We have a box of lights that will go on it. But I think she did a great job. It looks really good for our first Christmas tree. First time I've ever had a Christmas tree up in September. Are sitting and enjoying her work. And here's the finished product with the lights. It looks great. She did a wonderful job. Thanks for joining us. This is where we're going to leave you. We'll see you next time.